How to fix Discord Quest video not loading. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on this video we will learn how we can fix if the Discord Quest video is not loading. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, you have to open up Discord in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the bottom right, tap on You. Once you're here, navigate to top right again, tap on the settings icon. Under settings, scroll down, and under billing settings, there's an option as Quest. Tap on it. From this interface, select the Quest and then tap on accept Quest option. But in case if you cannot find this option here under this section, then make sure that the Discord application on your device is up to date. So to check for the updates, you have to open up Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right, and in the search bar, search for Discord and make sure that the application is up to date. And even if you update the application, if you still cannot find the Quest video, then you have to delete the Discord from your device. After that, reinstall it from the Google Play Store, log it back again, and check if that helps you solve your problem. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.